Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect our OKX wallet to Pixel Tap. Now, we're going to do this on our computer. You can do this on your mobile device. It's pretty much the same thing. So go to pixeltapgame.com, click on Launch Bot, and here you're going to be brought to this page. Open Telegram Desktop, click OK, right? And we're going to be brought to this. Now, we have Telegram Desktop installed in our PC. If you're going to do this on mobile, you need to have Pixel Tap and Telegram and OKX on your device. So next is click on Launch Bot like this, and this Pixel Tap app will launch like this. And what you want to do next is click on the wallet icon here on the top like so, and then choose OKX. There's a lot of wallets here. Choose OKX, right? Click on that. You have an OKX account. Click yes, I have it. Now you need to be very mindful that you need ERC20 for USDT, right? So this is for USDT. So now we go to our OKX wallet, right? Hover on assets. Now when you hover on assets, you're gonna have this pop-up appear. Click on deposit, right? Click deposit. And the next what you want to do is, of course, choose USDT. Now we choose ERC20 because that's what we want, we need. And now we have our ERC20 wallet address. So click copy, go back to here, and then just click that, click made it. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, your wallet is now connected. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.